Over the past couple of years, we've become accustomed to smart speakers, first and foremost with the original Amazon Echo and the Google Home that followed it. And really only recently we've begun to see these smart displays take hold of the market from Amazon, Facebook, and in this case, Google. Today, I'm here to give you 5 reasons why I think Google's smart display, the Google Home Hub, is worth the money. Reason number 1, the user interface on this device is amazing. It's easy to use, it's minimal, and it displays what you want it to in a very clean and simple way. I enjoy the animations, and once again, it's very easy to use. I think anybody, really any age group, can learn to use this. They don't even have to understand it. You just ask it a question and it will display whatever you were looking for, once again in a clean and concise way. Reason number 2, this device has a decent sound quality. It's not the best, obviously. I have listened to music on better, higher quality speakers and headphones, but from my experience, if you're just gonna try to get some homework done or some work done, say you're at your desk or in your kitchen where you might have this and you wanna listen to a quick tune, it'll be of no issue. Even if you are accustomed to higher audio quality, it's loud, it's crisp, it does lack a little bit in bass, but for the most part, it's more than adequate for your usage case. Also know you can sync whatever music streaming service you want with this device. I use Spotify and it's been very, very convenient. Reason number 3, Google Assistant is excellent and arguably the best in its class. From my experience, it has been extremely accurate and conversational, so I can ask a question like, hey Google, who directed Bohemian Rhapsody?
Bohemian Rhapsody was directed by Bryan Singer.
Hey Google, how old is he?
He's 53 years old.
So as you can see, it's very conversational. I ask 2 successive questions without having to restate what I said before. You can ask it nearly any question as well as it's tapping into the Google search engine. So I can say, hey Google, how do I greet somebody in Japan?
On the website rocketlanguages.com, they say, Japanese tend to bow while saying Ohayo gozaimasu, konnichiwa, or konbanwa depending on the time of the day.
You can also look up local establishments like restaurants as well, so I can say, hey Google, show me the nearest Thai food places.
I found a few Asian places near you.
You can also call a particular establishment as well. You just have to specify, so I can say, hey Google, call Thai Basil Restaurant.
Sure, since this is your first call with Google Home, here's a couple of notes. First, emergency numbers are not available. At the end of your call, tell me to hang up.
And we're gonna end the call. As you can see, I made use of the touch controls there. You can also tell it to hang up. Another useful feature is just plain and simple setting reminders. So I can say, hey Google, remind me at 11 a.m. tomorrow to start working on my commercial illustration project.
All right, I'll remind you tomorrow at 11 a.m.
And there you go, simple as that. Reason number 4, this is a great nightstand or bedside device. It can display the time and will adjust with the ambient light in the room. So it'll be super bright when it's really bright in your room or super dark when you're sleeping. And it displays the time in nice big letters, which is a plus, especially if you wear glasses like I do. You can also set alarms with this device. So I can say, hey Google, set an alarm for 7:30 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, your alarm's set for tomorrow at 7:30 a.m.
And I'm gonna cancel that. Hey Google, cancel the alarm.
Okay, it's canceled.
Because I'm gonna be staying up editing this video, I can't do that. So yeah, once again, I think this is a great bedside device. It makes for a great clock and alarm clock, as I just demonstrated. Reason number 5, this is kind of obvious. This is a smart display, and when you ask for something, it'll not only tell you the answer, but it will show you the answer. And it brings new capabilities with it. So for example, you can watch YouTube videos on this device, and I think that's great, especially when you need to do so hands-free. So I can say something like, hey Google, play Apple Watch Series 4 videos.
Okay, playing Apple Watch Series 4 videos on YouTube.
Hey everyone, I've had the Apple Watch Series 4.
It is playing it. Once again, the audio quality is great. You can toggle it from the back here. And also, before I forget to mention, there is a little mute switch on the back if you're afraid of the NSA or Google listening in to your everyday conversations. But anyway, You can watch YouTube videos kind of in a playlist style manner on here. You can also stream video to here, so you're not just stuck with whatever the Google Assistant presents to you. Another great hands-free feature with this device is when you have this in your kitchen, you are working with, I don't know, eggs or raw meat, or you plain and simple don't want to pull out your phone or iPad and you want to make something and look up a recipe. So on here you can say, hey Google, show me fried chicken recipes.
Here are some recipes I found.
So as you can see, it presented us with a bunch of recipes. I'm gonna click the Food Network one, and you can actually go about making food, in this case, fried chicken, step by step with the Google Home Hub. So I can press start here, and it will give me the rundown with ingredients and eventually the steps that it would take to make fried chicken. Another great feature of this device taking advantage of the display is simply searching images. So say you didn't know what a particular dog breed looked like, you could say, hey Google, show me images of Malamutes.
These pictures should match.
And here we go, we have some images of the Australian Malamute. And lastly, a feature I'd like to end with is just displaying the news. So I can say, hey Google, show me current news.
Here's the latest news.
And it's actually going to play from Reuters.com, which is known to be kind of centrist, so that's kind of cool.
The age of 94.
So I can raise the audio again.
Obama saying that Bush's life was a testament to the notion that public service is a noble, joyous calling. Bush's son, the 43rd president.
And yeah, I hope this video helped you out, whether you've come here to learn how to use this device, or if you are thinking about picking up this device for yourself or as a gift for somebody. Although it can range from about $100 to $130, I think it is worth the price tag, considering all that it can do, you know, making phone calls, showing the news, playing music, all with the really great, simple, easy to use user interface Google has provided with the Hub. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like in the video, comment if you have any questions or suggestions, and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.